Hello, class 3. Welcome back. And it's really nice to see you all, students. Hope you all are fine. Yes? Okay. Today we will be going to start with a new chapter. Hope you all have understood the earlier chapter, students. Yes? And you have also completed your work in your copies. Yes. Now in this chapter we will be we will come to know about the materials used for a building houses, what are the good houses, and we will be reading about how to keep the house clean. And this way you all will come to know many of the things. It's really interesting chapter. Okay, now open your books and open page number 24. Chapter 3, Housing and Clothing. Yes. Okay, let's start with the chapter. Hope you all have opened your books. Follow in your book, students. Suppose you are playing in a nearby park with your friends. Suddenly it starts raining. What do you and your friends do then? They all rush towards their houses to protect themselves from the rain. As you all know that we will be reading about houses. Why all we want house? To live in it, for shelter, for protection from outer danger, and for from rain. We all need food, we all need house for living, and we all need house for a shelter and a protection. Now see, our house protect us from heat, cold, rain and wind. It keeps us safe from wild animals and thieves too, because everyone is safe in their sweet home. Why we call the house a home should be a sweet home? Because we all are secure in it. हम लोग घर में सुरक्षा से रहते हैं, अच्छे से रहते हैं, और एक हमारा जो घर होता है वो हम लोग को हीट से, कोल्ड से, रेन से, विंड से प्रोटेक्ट करता है. देन सी, here are some special houses. Give their names. You can take the help of words given in the box. Write it in your books and fill the blocks given under the types of houses. See, the first one is tilt house, the caravan, then a houseboat, then igloo and your tent. As students, you all know that different types of house is made in a different countries and as well in the cities. Like the people living in Ladakh, Kashmir, and a snowy place, they all what all they do? They all make igloo. See, some of the people, like the people who are shifting from here and there, migrating people, they all use tent. Some of them use houseboat for living. So everywhere God has given the survival. Everywhere we can take different types of houses, and we can live in it, and we can get protect ourselves. Now come to next page. Now we will be reading about material used for building house. Now see, what are all the material? You all very well know that what are all the material used for making the pakka house. Pakka house means that cement house. Now see, people make houses according to their needs and affordability. Affordability means, students, according to their economic value. Like आपकी ज़रूरत क्या है और आपके पास कितने पैसे हैं, कितना अमाउंट है आपके पास, जो आप उस अमाउंट के हिसाब से आप एक घर को बना सकते हो. Like it should be very comfortable and easy for you. Okay. Usually materials that are available nearby are used to make houses. Houses in the cities are mostly built with bricks, cement, iron and marble. As you all know that the cement is the house is made of brick, cements, iron rod is required, and marble. Some of the people stuck them marble tiles for their decorations of their houses. Now see, these houses are strong and last for hundreds of years. They are called pakka houses. See, now we will be reading about kacha houses. Houses in villages are not as strong as the houses in the cities. Now see, peoples in village make their houses using straws, mud, hay and stone. These houses do not last for a long time. They are called kacha houses. See, students, the houses are very not very strong, but just for just like poor people, what they do, they make the kacha houses with the help of straw, mud, stones, so that they can get protected in this. Now see, in cold regions like Antarctica, people make houses using slabs of ice, frozen ice. Slabs of ice is a frozen ice. These houses give them all comfort that we get in a houses, such houses are called igloo. People living in igloos are called Eskimos. Japan is a place where earthquakes occur very often. They use light materials for building houses. Places where floods usually occur have stilt houses. For example, Assam in India. See, students, in Japan, Japan is a place where usually earthquakes take place. Of very oftenly earthquakes come, so that the people living there, they uses the very light material, so that they can, if they loses their house in earthquake, then they can easily make another one. So they do not use the material of pakka houses. Now then, some of the like place in Assam, they all use stilt house, because this area is very flooded. Flood come oftenly. So different places, different houses made according to their comfort and their affordability, so that they can survive in it and they can protect themselves easily. Now come to page number 26, students. Now we will be reading about a good house. What is a good house? A house can be a big or small. It can have one or many rooms. A good house must be airy, should allow the sunlight to enter. See beta, students, like house is always good. Our own house is always good, but the good house is according to that, the room should be airy. The sunlight should enter in your rooms. See, sunlight is an important requirement. It keeps the house free from germs. So our house should have doors and windows to let lots of sunlight in it. You should be having a house free germs, and you should have doors and windows, so that your sunlight can enters in your house. Now, clean and fresh air is needed for a good health. Clean and fresh air should be very first requirement for our body. Doors and windows let fresh air in. Open space in houses such as lawns, verandas, balcony also allow fresh air into house. Now see, mosquitoes and flies must not be allowed to enter the house. For this, doors and windows must have wire netting, like jali. You all know that it should be, window should have a netting window, so that mosquitoes and houseflies do not enter, because these are causing the these are all causing the health problem. Now we will be reading about keeping the house clean, a many very important topic for you all students, as in today's today's situation, you all are needing these points, so that you also keep your atmosphere and your house clean. Now read the points. Household waste should be thrown into dustbin. Dustbin should be kept covered. You should always purchase a covered dustbin that is having a cap on it, so that the germs produced in the dustbin get not mixed with the air atmosphere of your house. Now see the next one. Floors of the house must be mopped daily. We should use cleansing agents while mopping the floor. You all should need you should try cleansing agents in mopping, so that your floor can be germs free. Now see the third point. Bathrooms and kitchen should be provided with covered drain, so that dirty water does not collect near it. We should having a underground drain pipe, so that the it does not collect the water over it. Now the fourth point. The things in the house must be kept at a proper place. This way the house looks neat and tidy. The room should be settled. The things should be kept its own place, so that it looks beautiful and tidy. The fifth point, last. The walls of the house must be painted and whitewashed. The walls should be painted and clean, so that your house should look beautiful. Yes, till now hope you all have understood. Please go through the points given in your book. It's really important for you all during this epidemic coronavirus. You should clean your house, you should clean your environment, so that you are not able to get any infection and all. Okay, go through the chapter till now, students. Now students, come to page number 29. We will be doing some exercises. Now come to this A1. Put a tick on the correct option. A house protect us from heat, rain, and all of these. Matlab both the answer is correct. Second one. Which of the following is a type of house? Beta, please cut not. Please cut the word not. See, your ma'am has done for you all. Which of the following is a type of house? Because stadium and auditorium is a part of public place, and igloo is a house used in Antarctica and a snowy place. Now see the third one. Which is the material used to make a pakka house? Mud straw is used for the kacha houses, and cement is for pakka houses. Student, do this exercise. Think and write. Answer the following questions in your book itself. You will be writing the two summer clothes, 2 winter clothes, and 2 rainy season. Okay, go through the chapter, and we will be continuing the leftover chapter in our next class. And question answers I will be doing for you all. You all will be getting the worksheet of question answers, and as well as for the fill in the blanks also. So by the time you all go through the chapter, and stay healthy and clean your house. Go through the points. It is really helpful for your day-to-day life. Have a good day. Thank you. Take care, students.